Hello everyone, welcome to this Aknanda Qigong practice. Open your feet parallel, the hands will be facing down, and go to your Guji stance or neutral fundamental Qigong position. From here, awareness on your palms, and inhale, go up, and exhale down. Connect with your breathing and your movement. In this breathing exercise, focalize on your own frequency, in your own pattern of inhalation and your exhalation. The idea is to do it as much relaxed as you can, but at the same time find a good exchange between your breathing exercise Qigong. First exercise, inhale up, turn, push the sky. Relax and turn from the wrist, and finally adjust in the posture that you can watch. After some seconds, relax your shoulders, palm facing down, and release. Exercise 2, open horse stance, Mabu. Concrete your structure first. Inhale up, full inhalation. Then cross. And inhale, open your arrow. Keep your shape. Exhale. And then go back and release. Let's repeat the same sequence to the other side. Be aware on the moments that you are open the body and closing the body. Let's repeat the full sequence, one time to the right, one time to the left, doing it with conscious. Inhale up and close the sequence. Go back to your Guji stance or neutral posture. Exercise 3, working to your lungs and also in the strengthening of the spine. So Follow the movement, and then remember, adjust your breathing in a natural way at the beginning. Follow your nature. When you consolidate the final structure, let's push with your feet on the ground and stretch from there to your palms and fingertips. Inhale, go back and relax your palms and release. And let's continue with the Tiger Qigong to work deep in the metal element on your lungs. Inhale, absorb, exhale, push and release. Relax, tiger claws, rotate from the wrist. Inhale one more time, deep. Keep the structure and exhale. Change, inhale again, bend your elbows and push again forward. Tiger claws, rotate, inhale and exhale. Release the tiger claws. One more time, this full sequence. Engage in movement and breathing and your concentration. And finally close, inhale up and exhale down. Go back to your Guji, inhale up, charge and exhale down and sink. Open one more time in a high horse stance. Let's continue with the dynamic Qigong movement, a water Qigong movement. The idea is to don't cut the movement. Try to first copy the full sequence and then try to internalize in your body. After that in your breathing, and as well keep your concentration, your internal observation, and that's all. Just enjoy the flow of your blood, of your chi around your body, circulating, cleaning, opening and closing your body, working in a kind of dynamic stretching. After some repetitions, stop the movement slowly, keep the palms facing down, close your eyes and stay with your feelings. the center of the palm is observing the solar plexus, the diaphragm area. Let's finish with a little bit of a standing Qigong, just to sink the Qi, to go back to your calmness and peaceful. From horse stance, go back to your Guji. Both hands on your lower dantian or lower center. Close your eyes and stay there a few minutes. Thank you so much for enjoying this Aknanda Qigong session. Stay safe and have a great day. This routine emphasizes in the lungs function, in the strengthening of the lungs. That will impact in your energy, in your vitality, in your immune system, and as well it's a very good routine to work deep in the transformation of the physical body related with your tendons, muscles and tissues.